Andarki Namaskaram. I'm Nishita, sales consultant at MK1, and I'm back once again with the latest construction update from the prestigious project of Vizag, located at Endada. It's been inspiring to see how far we have come this year, and I'm excited to walk you through the steady and the impressive progress across the community this July. At MK1, it's not just the pace of construction, but the quality and the attention to detail that truly stand out. From the skyline that keeps evolving to the finishing touches that are slowly transforming structures into homes, every visit here feels one step closer to the dream. Let's begin our progress walkthrough. We start with towers C and D, both of which have now completed all structural works. Even the terrace amenities are ready. Exterior painting is currently in progress, and the interior tile work is also moving forward with a good pace. Coming to Tower B, the structure has now reached its full height with all 25 floors completed. Shuttering work for the terrace amenity slab is now in progress, and the interior tile work is well underway. Over to Tower A, the 21st floor slab work is currently in progress, rising steadily and confidently in line with our timelines. Let's move to the clubhouse, the center of the community life here at MK1. The exterior work is now fully completed and the interiors are coming to life with the tile work currently underway. Across the basement levels 1, 2 and 3, flooring work has been completed and the painting is now in progress, giving these common zones a clean and refined finish. On the ground level, things are equally vibrant. Driveway and landscaping work continues, setting the stage for serene outdoor zones that will tie the community together. We are also happy to share that work on the temple structure has begun. As we can see, MK1 is evolving beautifully from soaring towers to serene landscaped zones. Everything here reflects our deep commitment to excellence, quality and timely delivery. On behalf of MK Builders family, thank you for being the part of this journey. This is Nishita signing off. To know more about MK1, visit our Experience Center at Endada or connect with our sales team today. Don't forget to follow us on social media for regular updates and exclusive previews of your future home.